Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you Capricorn and what's going on. What are the messages for Capricorn? Five of Cups, Ace of Pentacles and the Temperance. Nine of Wands, Five of Swords and Page of Pentacles. Under the deck, Four of Wands. Maybe you are waiting for this happiness. Four of Wands. Maybe your person could be twin flames, 11 and 11. This celebration, happy family. Yeah, it is coming. Someone is coming back to you. If you are in a relationship, if you are a single person, definitely someone is coming towards you, Capricorn. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Cups, Ace of Pentacles and Temperance. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So there is separation between you and your person in past. Five of Cups is here. For some it is no contact situation. And Ace of Pentacles, Temperance. But you are hoping this with your person, long-term commitment, marriage. But it was not happening. It was not happened in past. You are patiently waiting. Maybe you are healing, undergoing some meditation because the Temperance, patience. You want to restore balance within you, Capricorn. What I'm getting here in recent past. Maybe your career, financial career looking good. Maybe you're concentrating on your career more than concentrating on the loss. Okay. Then present, Nine of Wands, Five of Swords and Page of Pentacles. Some communication is coming. Maybe they did hurt you in past. The Capricorn, Five of Swords energy. They maybe lied to you, cheated on you. For some it could be third party situation also. I think it's you are thinking about them a lot. Maybe you guarded up. Still you are thinking about them a lot. And some communication. Maybe your person is immature. There is no commitment in past. On and off connection it could be. That's why you are guarded up. And future, Knight of Cups, Three of Swords and Seven of Wands. Yeah, they are coming back. Knight of Cups energy, but it is very slow moving energy, Capricorn. Yeah, they may be now realizing you both. Four of Swords, it could be your person. I think it could be your person. You also heartbroken, you are also missing them. And Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. It could be your person, what I'm getting here. Because they're coming back, because they're heartbroken, they won't give up on you. The message is very clear. For some, still you have hopes on this connection. You are feeling heartbroken also, okay? And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So, let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Yeah, Five of Swords under the deck again. They did hurt you in past. There are a lot of disturbances between you and your person. They are still thinking about those disturbances which had happened between both of you. So let's see your person current feelings, Capricorn. Yeah, there is no contact situation between both of you. Page of Cups message, communication is coming, apology. And under the deck, Seven of Swords. Yeah, they did hurt you in past. Maybe they lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely some sneaky energies here. Maybe your person is non-committal. in past. Yeah, you have trust issues, Capricorn, regarding your person. So let's see your reading. So first, the moon card. Lot of disturbances between both of you. There is something mysterious in this connection. Maybe your person hiding something from you. Recently you came to know about that. And Hermit, they are not talking to you. Maybe your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. They're seeing everything in detail because they're undergoing some spiritual awakening here. And Page of Cups. Yeah, they may be thinking about to send an apology message, some communication, because Page of Cups. They want to send some message, communication, apology. Your person is immature, what I am getting here. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Capricorn, your person near future actions. Okay, 7 of Pentacles. Okay, Page of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Pisces. 8 of Swords. Yeah, they're waiting because they are stuck right now. And King of Wands. Your person also very powerful person, very attractive, and they're very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion. They're still attracted towards you. Maybe you still attract to your person. Okay, you still feeling attracted towards your person, Capricorn. So 8 of Swords energy is here. Your person is feeling stuck. That's why 7 of Pentacles waiting. They're waiting for the right time to come up towards you, because right now Hermit mode they are in. They're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they're thinking about how to approach you, because Page of Pentacles, again communication. Maybe they're thinking how to approach you, how to communicate with you. That type of energy I'm getting. And 8 of Pentacles right now, 8 of Swords, sorry, right now your person feeling stuck. Lot of earth energy and Swords energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Lot of waiting. Yeah, the Hierophant. Yeah, they're coming back, but very slowly. And 2 of Pentacles under the deck. Maybe right now your person is juggling, because they're Hermit mode. There are a lot of thinking going in your person mind. That's why they're feeling stuck. They're feeling heavy. But Hermit, they will decide to offer commitment to this connection. And Knight of Pentacles, they're coming back with Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. But it is very slow moving energy. You have to be patient, okay, before they're coming towards you. And this time maybe your person taking it very seriously, because in past they hurt you. They know about that. Because 7 of Swords, 5 of Swords. The Hanged Man. You also thinking about them a lot. You also undergoing some spiritual awakening, Capricorn. And Queen of Cups. You are very caring and very giving person in this connection. You still have strong emotions towards your person, Capricorn. Yeah, you both still hoping new beginnings with each other, because the Star is mutual card. There is a reconciliation, a lot of you guys in near future, because the Star is a positive card, and there is a hope for both of you. They're coming back. Then it's up to you. Maybe a lot of you are also taking this person back. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune in divine timing. Everything in divine timing. Definitely things are turning out in this connection favor. Okay, they will send some communication, whatever. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. 4 of Pentacles, Death, 2 of Wands, and Hermit. Maybe you are also undergoing some spiritual awakening. You both are on the same page. This could be long distance relationship. You both could be living in different cities, countries, or states, and you also thinking about them a lot. Yeah, some spiritual awakening. Right now maybe you are holding back your feelings. Even though you have feelings for your person, but you are not showing them. So let's see your person overall energy, Capricorn. Yeah, King of Cups, they want to offer this cup of love to you. The Fool, they want brand new beginnings with you. And the Star again. Yeah, they still have this hope. See how this card. New beginnings. Yeah. Strength. You person after awakening after hermit, they stand by their power, they're very grounded now. They now realizing your worth. For some, your person is really changing for you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. Your commitment is being tested. So it is the time you have to be patient because your commitment is being tested. So if you are really very honest in your relationship or in your work career, it doesn't matter because your hard work and your honesty will pay off definitely. So your commitment is being tested. So be patient in these particular situations. So this is the message from universe. So hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.